Okie dokie. So here we are. I'm going to use a black canvas from Master's Touch. You can get it at Hobby Lobby. I like the black. I don't know why, even though I use a white pillow. I just like the black. And we're going to try for something a little bit like this. Okay, let's open up the paints. Oh yeah, I forgot. These are my Deco Arts, my metallics, the Deco Arts. This one's pink. Here's this little piggy, Inferno Red. Love it, love it. Okay, let me show you the consistency. I like them a little thick, I really do. Just think it gives such a better, I don't know, I just like it. Okay, here's the orange, Liquitex Fluorescent Orange, yellow. I gotta make some more yellow. We can add a little bit more varnish to that. See how it's mounding too much? A little bit more of the varnish. Let's get that mixed in there nicely, fold it all in. I think that'll do. Okay, now we're gonna paint. Oh wait, I still haven't opened all my colors. Here's the magenta. I also am using some Deco Art Gold. Ooh, look what that did. Interesting. Cool. My interference, beautiful, from Deco Art Extreme Sheen, just to add some shimmer. Okay, and here we go. Time, pillow time. And there's something in my pillow, I don't know. All right, pillow time. Pillow time, it's the time of the pillow. Okay, here we go. Pillow, pillow. We're gonna do it like this. Okay. Let's see what I can do here. Now time for the cell activator. So I'll show you the consistency. See? Kind of leaves a trail, but not too much. Alrighty. Green Artist Loft with that glue that I add. So let's see. See? Stringy, just like the black now. Leaves a mark, leaves a trail a little bit, but nothing crazy. So let's see. Hopefully this will make some big cells. Here we go. Alrighty, guys. I think the swiping is complete. Now it's just the spinning and the tilting that we need to worry about. Okay, now for the really messy part. What do you guys think? Do we like it? I think it's done. I think it's done. Maybe we'll get it like that. Ta-da! Okay, all done. Let me wash my hands. Okay, everyone. Here we go. Here's the finished piece. Da-da-da-da! We're just gonna have to see how this one dries, but I like it. I like the cell overload, it's my jam. And this is how it looks dry. I like it. Still can't wait for that Amsterdam aqua green, but pretty cool, pretty cool.